The iPhone SE has always been a special device in Apple's lineup. It's the perfect mix of affordability and performance, but now it's about to play an even more critical role in Apple's strategy. Recent reports suggest that Apple is planning to completely revamp the iPhone SE in 2025, and here's the real kicker. It'll feature Apple's first ever in-house modem. For years, Apple has relied on Qualcomm for its modem chips, the crucial components that let phones connect to cellular networks. However, Apple has been quietly assembling a team to develop its own modem technology. This move isn't just about cutting costs, it's about having greater control over hardware and creating a seamless integration between the modem and the rest of the iPhone's internals. But why the iPhone SE? Why not debut this groundbreaking technology in a flagship like the iPhone 16 Pro Max? The answer lies in the SE's role as a testing ground. It's Apple's most affordable iPhone, which makes it a perfect candidate for trying out new technologies. If there are any early stage hiccups with the modem, the impact on Apple's reputation will be minimal compared to launching it in a high-end device. Think of this as Apple dipping its toes in the water. By using the iPhone SE as the launchpad, Apple can gather real-world feedback and refine the modem's performance. If it's a success, Apple can confidently roll out the new modem across its entire iPhone lineup. This is a classic Apple move, similar to how the company used the iPhone SE to introduce the A15 Bionic chip, which later powered the iPhone 14 series. There's another intriguing twist to the iPhone's Southeast future. Rumor has it that Apple might ditch the Southeast branding altogether and rebrand the phone as the iPhone 16e. This would be a major shift in Apple's naming strategy and could signify a new direction for its budget-friendly devices. The E might stand for Essential, Edition, or simply align with the rest of the iPhone lineup's numbering system. This potential rebranding mirrors what Google has done with its Pixel lineup. Google's A series offers a more affordable alternative to its flagship devices like the Pixel 6 compared to the Pixel 6. Apple might be taking a page from Google's playbook, creating a tiered system where the E line provides an entry point into the Apple ecosystem without compromising on core features. Launching its own modem through the iPhone SE or the iPhone 16e is also part of a larger trend in the tech industry. More and more companies are bringing chip development in-house. It's about more than just cutting out middlemen. It's about tailoring hardware to work perfectly with software. Apple has always championed this approach, and this new modem is a natural extension of that philosophy. The implications of this move are huge. If Apple's modem performs well, it could open the door for more affordable iPhones, packed with cutting-edge technology. It also strengthens Apple's position in the market, as the company would no longer be dependent on external suppliers for such a critical component. This could lead to better optimization, improved battery life, and even faster speeds for future iPhones. And what about the competition? If Apple's modem is a success, it could set a new standard in the industry, forcing competitors to up their game. It's also a reminder of how Apple's innovations often ripple across the tech world, pushing other companies to follow suit or risk falling behind. Personally, I think using the iPhone SE as the testing ground for Apple's first modem is a stroke of genius. It's a low-risk, high-reward strategy that could pave the way for even more ambitious innovations. Plus, it shows how much confidence Apple has in its engineering team. Developing a modem from scratch is no small feat, but if any company can pull it off, it's Apple. As a tech enthusiast, I'm excited to see what the future holds. Will the new modem live up to the hype? Will Apple's rumored rebranding strategy take shape? And how will this impact the smartphone market as a whole? One thing is certain, Apple is shaking things up, and that's always good news for consumers. Whether you're an iPhone fan or not, you'll want to keep an eye on the iPhone Southeast evolution. It's not just a phone, it's the beginning of a new chapter in Apple's story.